Welcome to our dashcam showdown. Today, we're comparing two impressive models. The OVAMAN K600, which boasts a stunning 4K resolution, and the dual front/rear dashcam, offering a solid 2.5K experience. We'll dive into their specifications, features, and what sets them apart in the world of automotive security. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, choosing the right dashcam can make all the difference in capturing those important moments on the road. Let's get started. The OVAMAN K600 delivers an impressive 4K UHD resolution, ensuring that every detail is captured with clarity, making it ideal for legal evidence and detailed recordings. In contrast, the dual front/rear dashcam offers a respectable 2.5K QHD resolution, which is sufficient for most daily driving needs, but may lack the fine detail that 4K provides. If video quality is your top priority, the OVAMAN K600 clearly stands out. The OVAMAN K600 is equipped with advanced features such as built-in GPS and 5G Wi-Fi, allowing for seamless file transfers and speed tracking, which can be crucial in accident scenarios. On the other hand, the dual front/rear dashcam lacks these modern conveniences, which means users will need to manually transfer footage via the SD card. This difference can significantly affect user experience and convenience. When it comes to price, the OVAMAN K600 is slightly more expensive at $109, while the dual front/rear dashcam is priced at $99. While the OVAMAN offers superior features and resolution, the OVAMAN model presents a more budget-friendly option for those who may not need the highest specifications. Ultimately, the choice depends on your budget and requirements for a dashcam. In conclusion, both the OVAMAN K600 and the dual front/rear dashcam have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize high-quality video and advanced features, the OVAMAN K600 is the clear winner. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option that still provides essential recording capabilities, the dual front/rear dashcam is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.